Welcome to Dhara Education. This is Saboni Dhara. Today, my topic is English writing skills, views and counter views. In the last video, we have discussed about the essential points while writing counter views. Today, we will going to discuss about a proper format of writing views and counter views. So, we will going to share one question. Based on that questions, we will going to see all the points which is mentioned in the question. And opposing those points, we will going to counter view it. So don't forget to watch this video completely and to like my videos, share and comment on my videos. So students, as you can see on the screen, question of view and counter view. Prepare a paragraph for counter view section on the topic is there a need of multiple question paper set A, B, C, D for standard 12th. You can take help of the following points in the view section. The first one is solution for mass copy problem. Second, intellectual level of students. Third, same question paper structure and format. And the very last point is same difficulty level. So these all are the points. So these all are the main highlighted points which they have given us. So with this particular points, we will going to read twice so that we can understand the ideas and we can oppose those ideas. So let's start how to counter view. Counter view. I do not agree with the above statement. There is a need for multiple question paper set A, B, C, D for class 12. The significant reason behind introducing multiple question paper set was to tackle the problem of mass copying, which on the contrary remain unaccomplished. Instead of proposing this complex plan, the school board should have taken other measures to stop the problem of mass copying. They should have taken into consideration that the students of 12th standard are mature enough to understand the danger of mass copying, which may lead to one's debarring from exams. Different set of papers evaluate the exams differently and no one can deny the possibility of different sets having varying difficulty levels. This also hinders the spirit of healthy competition amongst the students striving for high marks, as a higher score not only becomes a matter of hard work but also a game of chance. Same question paper and structure provides an equal opportunity to all the examiners since they are all get to answer the same questions to the best of their abilities, while on the other hand, different set of paper increase the chance of one paper being more or less difficult in comparison to the other. In the wake of all these arguments, I believe that this pattern of examination is not only awkward but also purposeless, and thus there is no need to have the multiple question paper set A, B, C, D for class 12. So I hope you all clear your doubts in this video. My next video is also on the way to publish. Thanks for watching my video. Please take care of yourself and your family too. Bye-bye.